Good morning to everyone. This is Devasis Mohanty. Once again, today I am welcoming to our integer chapter discussion. And in the last days, we have already done the discussion on regarding the properties of the integer under the division. So, whatever all the properties we have learned so far, all these properties we have to apply in the exercise 1.4. Also, in the last days exercise 1.4 question number 1 we have completed. So today we will do the question from the question number 2 onwards. Okay, so first question, it is given: verify that a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. It means just like we did the question in our last exercise, that multiplication is distributive over addition and multiplication is distributive over subtraction. In the same way, we have to show that the division should not be distributive over addition. Actually, multiplication is only distributive over addition and subtraction, but division should not be distributive over the addition and subtraction. But here we need to show it as a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c for a is equal to 12, b is equal to -4 and c is equal to 2. So all these value we have to put in the left side, and also all these value we have to put it on the right side. So left side value how much we are getting and right side value how much we are getting. Let's have a check. Okay, so in the LHS side, a divided by b plus c, it means a means 12 divided by -4 plus 2, bracket closed. So as you know that we have to solve according to the Badmas rule. Badmas means first we have to solve the bracket work. So within the bracket, here it is -4 and plus 2. One it is the negative integer, another one it is our positive integer. So for which we must have to do the subtraction from the greater numeral to smaller numeral, we have to subtract. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. But greater numeral having the minus sign, for which it becomes -2. So it means bracket within the bracket how much the sum of the two integer, it becomes -2. So it means next step becomes 12 divided by -2. So division of one positive integer with another negative integer, you know that the division of their normal number we have to find. Then after, if one is negative, then after our result it will be negative. So 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6, as 1 it is negative, for which it becomes -6. Left side understood? Now we will do the right side. RHS becomes 12 divided by -4 plus 12 divided by 2. So it means first we have to do the bracket, this bracket along with the another bracket. So 12 divided by -4, it becomes -3. And 12 divided by 2, it becomes 6. It means the next step becomes -3 plus 6. One positive integer, another one it is our negative integer. So their sum it is just, so it means we have to find out the difference between their numeral. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. Greater number it is 6, so which is positive, for which the result it is positive, which becomes 3. Left side we got it as the -6, but here we are getting the right side, it is as the 3. So for which LHS is not equal to RHS. Otherwise we can say that our division should not be distributive over addition. So just like I have done the question number I for you, next after the double I bit, you just have to do in your own attempt. Okay, now we will do the question number 3. Question number 3, it is given that the fill in the blanks, but with the whatever the property we have learned, from that property rule we have to apply at here, and we just have to find out the result, it is how much. Okay, so first it is given that 369 divided by how much, the result it will be 369. Whenever one of the property it was, whenever with any integer we do divide with 1, then the result it becomes the same integer, for which 369 divided by 1, it is equal to 369. Ready? Then after question number double I, it is given which number divided by 75 divided by which number, it becomes -1. It becomes -1. Listen, this type of question I will give you the shortcut trick. See, 75, forget about the sign. You just have to say me 75 it is divided by which number, such that the result it is 1. Everyone knows that whenever a number is divided by itself, the result it is 1. So for which first the numeral should be filled there. 75 divided by 75, result it is 1. Numeral ready? Then after we will think about its sign. It means 75 divided by 75, it is equal to 1. As the product having negative, when the quotient it will be negative, whenever either first one negative, otherwise second one it is negative. So already the first one it is negative, so for which negative divided by positive, result it is negative. So it means whatever the fill in the blank place it is given, so that place should be filled by only 75. Ready? Because negative divided by positive, result it will be negative. Ready? And next it is the question number C. It is given 206 divided by how much, the result it is 1. 206 divided by how much, the result it is 1. To get the result it as the 1, listen, first we have to find the number, which number will be divided by which number, result it is 1. Apart from the sign we will think. So 206, whenever the number is divided by itself, it means 206 divided by 206, the result it is 1. Number ready, then after we will think about the sign of the numeral. As the result, otherwise the sign of the quotient, otherwise the sign of the result it is positive. Result it is positive whenever positive divided by positive, otherwise negative divided by negative. So here it is first one, it is negative given, so for which negative should be divided by negative such that the result it will be positive. So for which that 206 should be minus 206. Ready? And the question number D, it is given minus 87 divided by how much, the result it is 87. Minus 87 we are dividing with which number, the result it is 87. Means on dividing 1 there is no change, but whenever we will divide by the minus 1, there it will be our additive inverse. So on divide by 1 we will get the same integer, but whenever we will divide by the minus 1 we will get its additive inverse, otherwise opposite, otherwise negative. It was one of the property it was said. Divided by 1 there is no change, divided by minus 1 the result it will be changed, means with the previous integer how much, its result it will be its negative, otherwise opposite. Ready? So question number 3 it is over. Question number 3 it is, I hope, very easy. Rest of the other question also you should have to do attempt from your own side. Okay. Next it is given that question number 4, write down the 5 of the pair AB. Write the 5 pair of integers AB where A divided by B it is our minus 3. A divided by B it is our minus 3. So on dividing the result you will, otherwise the quotient it will be minus 3. Quotient it will be minus 3 means right side it becomes minus 3. Whenever this one it will be minus 3, on dividing which one? A. Suppose my head is A, and this one it is B, means our divisor, and this one it is our quotient is minus 3. So it means A is the factor, minus 3 is the factor. Which one it is the multiples? A is the multiples. Understood or not understood? So it means always the A should be the multiples of whom? Minus 3 and A. But as the A value it is not given, so one of the option we can find out here. Middle one it is always multiples of both the sides, left side, right side. So here the right side the number it is minus 3. So for which this one it will be multiples of the minus 3. Okay, so for which one of the example it is given there. So one of the example it is given 6 and minus 2. On dividing 6 by minus 2, the result it will be minus 3. Result it will be minus 3. Result it will be negative. It means first one negative, second one positive. Otherwise first one positive, second one it is negative. So just like 6 divided by minus 2 it is equal to minus 3. In the same way one can say minus 6 divided by 2 it is our minus 3. So in one example, one pair it was given 6, minus 2. Okay, so also one can formulate that minus 6 and 2. Ready? Another example, A should be multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 means, another example I am taking, 3 5 ja 15, 3 5 ja 15. 3 5 ja 15, 15 it is A. So 15 divided by which one it is 3? 15 divided by 5 it is 3. So 15 divided by 5, but the product it is given that the quotient it is given that negative. So for which one of the, from the two, one it will be negative. So minus 15, 5. minus 15, whenever divided by 5, the quotient it will be minus 3. And another example is, here it is minus 15, one example I choose. Then after plus 15 minus 5, the result it will be minus 3. One is from both of them, this one negative, otherwise this one it is negative, such that our result it will be negative. Ready? Another multiples of 3. Suppose 3 6 are 18. So it means 18 divided by 6, result it will be 3. But I want minus 3. So it means 18 6. 1 it is negative. Minus 18 6. Minus 18 divided by 6, result it is minus 3. So it means minus 18 6. It is one pair of integers. Another pair of integers it is 18. Here it is minus 6. 18 here it is minus 6. So 18 divided by minus 6, the result it will be our minus 3. Another example, if you want the multiples 3 7 are 21. 21 it is one of the multiples. So it means A it is equal to 21. 21 divided by 7, result is 3. But result we want minus 3. It means first one either it will be negative, otherwise second one will be the negative. So it means minus 21 divided by 7, the result it is minus 3. It means minus 21, 7 it is one pair of integers. Also 21 divided by minus 7, 21 divided by minus 7, also in that situation also the result is minus 3. Understood? Result is minus 3 means A should be, A means which number you are dividing, means dividend should be the multiples of 3. So for which you just have to choose. You just have to choose 6, 15, 18, otherwise 3. Multiples of 3 is also 3. Then after 6 also you can choose. 9 also you can choose. 12 also, 15 also, 18 also, 21 also, 24 also. Understood or not? I hope the question number 4 you understood well. Okay, so you just have to do all these questions in your copy. In our next class we will do the discussion of the question number from 5 onwards. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.